everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a homemade holiday wreath pillow kit. I found this pillow kit at Joann's. This pillow kit makes 2 throw pillows. When I saw it in store, I really was drawn to it because I thought the design on the pillow was very cute. Also, it has 2 different designs on the pillow, one for the front and one for the back. I thought this would make a really great pillow to use during the fall and winter months because I can use the plaid side of the pillow during the fall months and then flip it over for the winter months. Making this kit was actually very easy, and I already had all the supplies I needed to make it in the house. Some of the supplies I needed are as follows: a 32-ounce bag of polyester fiber fill, coordinating thread, basic sewing supplies, a sewing machine, and an iron and pressing surface. After opening up the kit, I did something that the instruction says not to do. I pre-washed the fabric. The reason why it says not to pre-wash the fabric is due to the fact that the fabric is prone to fraying. The fraying was so bad on a different project by the same company, I was concerned and worried that I lost seam allowance on it. So if you do find one of these kits in store or online, please don't wash the fabric, or just read the instructions before you actually throw the fabric into the washing machine. After I took the fabric out of the washing machine, I ironed it, and then I cut it apart. Following the directions, I cut the pieces out along the printed outside edge, and then I went to step 2. I pinned the front, which has the pillow wreath design on it, to the back fabric, which is the plaid fabric. The instruction says to do this right sides together and edges even before sewing them together. After the pinning was done, I moved on to step 3, sewing the pillow together. I began sewing the fabric at one opening mark, and then I stopped sewing at the other opening mark. Although the instructions say to do this, the fabric actually says where the opening marks are. After I sewed the front and the back together on both pillows, I turned the right sides out through the opening and smoothed the edges flat. Then I started to put in the polyfill through the opening. After I finished stuffing the pillows, I then pinned the opening closed and then hand stitched it closed. And that's all I did to make these pillows. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.